Hi guys, I'm just out here trying to get things going with the garden. It got hot again. It's been raining and everything's looking pretty sad. I haven't gotten around to getting the heucheras dug out, so poor things. I'm feeling horrible about them, but I came out here for a little bit to take my lady Annabelle out. She's running around back there right now, and I just want to get going outside. Even though it's hot, I'm thinking I'm gonna try to put my son to nap, and then I'll run out here and get some stuff done. So I also wanted to take the opportunity to tell you that as my husband is at work during the day, I probably go ahead and do maybe 1 or 2 videos. I would really love to do them with the kids home and everything right now. I think I could go ahead and do that. And there's a lot of stuff that I have to get going here in the garden, and I don't want y'all to miss out on anything, and that way y'all can be kept up with the updates and everything up from our garden. Okay, so here we are again with the heuchera. Nothing has changed. It's still crispy, it's still burning. There is growth still coming out. It's hanging out there, but it's not looking good. So I'm just taking those guys out. It's going to be a little noisy around here. They're cutting the grass around the neighborhood. So yeah, I hope that doesn't get in the way of the video. Okay, so I don't know if y'all remember, whoever's been watching, that I originally wanted to go with Black Pearl heuchera because I really love that heuchera. We went this past weekend to the nursery, our favorite nursery. Just remember, it's an hour away from where we live, so it's quite a drive. We enjoy it though, so we don't mind. But when we do go, we like to go on a day that we are going to be able to spend the whole day there. We love it. It just, time goes by so fast there. So I called, and early that morning, around, it was on a Sunday, and they told me there was still quite a bit of pearl black heuchera, and there wasn't any when we got there. I was so sad. The lady there told me that everyone had just gone crazy for it. They wanted it so bad. My luck, right? Well, it's okay though. I went around looking what else could either resemble it, have the same foliage, and my husband ran into these 2 guys here. They're potato vines. This one right here is called Midnight Lace Illusion, and then you have this one right here called Sweet Caroline Bewitched After Midnight. Both are beautiful, and they do remind me, they have the similar colors to Pearl Black heuchera, and they love the sun. They take it well. I've already used some. What else can I tell you about it? And they love water, so that goes really well with the hydrangeas. So it worked out fine. The thing is, I was wondering which one should I use. So this right here, because of the bigger leaves, reminds me of heuchera. So I want these guys, these underneath. I think it will look really pretty. The thing is that I ended up buying 3 of these and 2 of those. Yeah, so I have to wait all the way to the weekend again to be able to plant the 3rd one in. I want to go ahead and do this though already, because I do want to take the crunchy heucheras out. And anyways, we're headed back this weekend to the nursery, because we need to go buy plants for the bed that we're doing. So my girls are going to be helping me. I already put dirt in 3 pots so we can transplant those heucheras in there. I'm going to put some espoma, what is it called, girls? The biotone starter from espoma inside the little containers, just so they can root. I don't know how long it's going to be until I use those heucheras. And then I'll be using some for these potato vines as well, so they can or I'm not sure. Maybe I'll use that or the Proven Winners. They both do a really good job. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm gonna remove this. Oh, hold on. So I hope the lighting is good, and this is what we ended up with. It's dark, the mulch is dark too, and like I've told you, there's not a lot of sun on this side after a certain time. So we're missing that one right there. Bed, this weekend for sure I'll be grabbing one, and I love it. I love the way they look. To me it looks like if they were heucheras. It is not a permanent thing. I am gonna go and either order the heuchera, the black pearl heuchera, or end up going to somewhere else to look for it. Hopefully they have it, but if not, I will be ordering it for sure. Oh, I don't know if y'all see, I didn't get to tell y'all. I went ahead and put in the Diamond Frost. I wanted to see first, test it out, and I like it. At first I wish I had put the Veronicas right there, but in between the potato vine and the hydrangeas, but I like that. I love that. So I'm thinking now I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 more Diamond Frost, put them on the sides, on both sides, right in front of the potato, and the potato vine's gonna grow, but it's okay. I don't mind keeping up with it. I'll be giving some to my neighbors, that way they can make their own baskets or just whatever they want with it. It roots pretty quickly in water, and you can, that's how I propagate it, so that'll be cool to do. On this side, not sure if I should run more potato vine on the sides. It's something to think about. Not sure yet, but so far this is what we have. So if y'all like it, let me know what y'all think. I'm very sorry that it's not done, but we'll come back and hopefully y'all enjoy it.